Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of EURJPY in front of us, and as you can see, EURJPY was in a downward channel here. This level was acting as a resistance for the market, and this was acting as a support for the market. But right now you can see that market is just trading above the resistance level. So therefore we can conclude that the validity of this trend line or this resistance is gone, or this line is losing its validity as a resistance for the market. And if we look closer here, then you can see that I have also got one line drawn here, 130.35. You can see that this line is also important for the market. This level is important for the market. Let me show you why. Because if you look at the chart here, then you can just think that okay, this may or may not be a resistance for the market. But if we switch over to the weekly chart once, and as we all know, weekly chart is extremely important because this chart belongs to the big boys, the big players. And you can see that in the weekly chart we have a resistance here. Okay, we have a resistance, and market is just trying to cross the resistance here. Okay. Therefore, there is a possibility that market may not break also. If it does not have the required strength, then market will not be able to cross the resistance. Okay. But one thing that we need to focus here is that this week also market has witnessed price rejection from below, and the previous week also market has witnessed price rejection from below, which means that buyers are there in the market, buyers are present in the market, and they are not in the mood of seeing the market going down. Therefore, we may hope that market will cross this level. Okay, if we look at the weekly chart here, then though there is a resistance here, this resistance here, but still there is a possibility, looking at the price rejection from below, that market will cross this level. Okay. On the other hand, if you look at the forex sentiment meter here, then you can see that where did it go? EURJPY, EURJPY, EURJPY. It was there. I have lost it. Yeah, there it is. The forex sentiment meter, you can see that 58% traders have taken short position, and 41% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up. So there is not much difference here. So somewhat we can say that retail traders are also kind of confused whether the market will be going up or going down. And if we look at the currency strength meter here, then we can see that this is the euro and this is the Japanese yen, and you can see that they are almost of the equal strength. And I have clearly spoken in my earlier videos that whenever you will get two currencies of the equal strength, then the market remains sideways. If one currency is strong and one currency is weak, then you get a trending market. But in a scenario like this, when two currencies are almost of the equal strength, you get a sideways market. So if you look at this currency strength meter, then there is a possibility that the market will remain sideways. Okay. So what should be our strategy? We have consulted everything. Okay, we have done the analysis. So what should be our analysis? So I'll say that okay, because as market has seen heavy volatility yesterday because of the Fed's meeting, and US dollar is also going down, so there is a turmoil going on in the market, and I'll suggest you wait for one day. Okay, wait for one day and just observe the market. There is a good possibility that market may go up. In case market crosses this level, then just observe the market for 4 to 6 hours. Try to understand the market psychology, try to understand the market emotion. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is still trading comfortably above this level, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, the resistance has become support and you can go for a buy above this level, 130.35 or 130.440 level. So wait for the market to cross this level so that you get a better opportunity to trade here. On the other hand, if you see a good red candle here, let's assume that market fails to cross the level, and if market forms a good red candle here, then also you can think about shorting the market, because this is still a resistance from the weekly chart, which means that still sellers are present in the market, and they will act as a resistance for the market, because you can see that here also market tried to go up but market failed. So again we can hope that market may fail again and we can get a good opportunity to short the market. So right now market is in very crucial position. I'll just say that as there has been many turmoil in the market, so just observe the market, do not take any aggressive position, follow proper risk management, only risk 2 to 3% of your trading capital, and just wait and watch and just observe the market until and unless you are sure about the trade. So if market crosses this level, wait for 4 to 6 hours and then go for a buy if you feel comfortable. On the other hand, if market forms a red candle here, good red candle here, then you can short the market. Anyways, this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. So EURJPY.